Hey there, tech enthusiasts and watch lovers. Today, we're diving into a pretty exciting development in the world of smartwatches and messaging apps. Garmin, a brand known for its innovative wearables, has just dropped a major update, and I'm here to break it down for you. So what's the buzz all about? Well, Garmin has officially integrated WhatsApp into its watches, allowing users to send and receive messages directly from their wrists. But is it as seamless as it sounds? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about compatibility. The new WhatsApp integration is available for a select range of Garmin watches released in 2025 and 2026, with a few exceptions like the Fenix 8 from 2024. So, if you're a proud owner of one of these bad boys, you're in luck. Setting up the integration is pretty straightforward. You'll need to download the Connect IQ app on your phone and install the WhatsApp feature onto your watch. It's a quick process, and you'll be up and running in no time. Now, here's where things get interesting. Once you've got the app installed, you'll be able to see your 10 most recent contacts and their messages. You can open up conversations, read text messages, and even reply or compose new messages. But here's the catch: you're limited to a mini keyboard or 6 quick reply options. One major disappointment, in my opinion, is the lack of imagery support. Text messages are great, but without photos, stickers, or GIFs, it feels like a missed opportunity. Especially for iOS users, who already face limitations with iMessage photos on Garmin watches. Additionally, the integration currently requires your phone to be connected to your watch and nearby. This means it won't work over LTE on Garmin's Fenix 8 Pro series, which is a bummer for those expecting a more seamless experience. So, is this WhatsApp integration a game changer? Well, it really depends on your messaging habits. If you're a WhatsApp power user and rely on threads filled with photos and media, you might find this integration lacking. However, if you're looking for a quick and convenient way to reply to text messages when your phone is out of reach, it could be a handy feature. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this is just the beginning, and Garmin will address some of these limitations in future updates. After all, the ability to use apps over LTE would be a massive step forward and a true game changer for smartwatch users. In conclusion, Garmin's WhatsApp integration is a step in the right direction, but it still has room for improvement. It's a welcome addition for those who prefer the convenience of smartwatch features, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for this integration. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tech talk and smartwatch adventures.